Okay, what we got here is a 2.2 Civic CDTI with a leaking Heatercore. So what we are going to do is try some of this well reviewed by all accounts K-Seal. Will it work? I do not know. Alright, as you can see from here, well, rather than rip the dashboard apart, or rip it out, or get a fucking YouTube beep, fuck, like any of this shit's monetized, rather than have to get a haggle grinder and cut this shit out, try and get at it this way. That's the heater matrix there under UK driver or passenger side fitwell. As you can see, this white shit here, this is an emergency shit that I got called Liqui Moly, which I don't know, I found it crap, useless, but you know, it did find the hole. It just didn't block it up. Maybe this is just beyond repair. It's going to need to be ripped out and replaced. But after all the reviews I've read, it seems to be this is the stuff to try. And if this doesn't work, then new heater matrix. Yep. And so according to the manufacturers of this K-Seal stuff, you can put it in after putting in some stuff that doesn't quite live up to their reputation. So having some other crap in your car shouldn't really matter, according to these guys. Damn good shape. I don't know if this is quite necessary, but I always do it to make sure I don't have any other bubbles or pockets in here. Yeah. One thing I forgot to mention that I did find out in the research looking into this stuff. If you're working on a heater matrix specifically, what you want to do is, if you've had all your coolant leak out into your floor or wherever, if you've had that leak out, top it up first before you use this, because the heater matrix core is at the top of the engine, it's going to go there first. So you want to have this stuff at the top of your reservoir. So top it up, fire up the engine, warm it up a bit, and then put this stuff in. So it's at the top level, if that makes any sense. I couldn't really give a fuck if it does or not. So I fire it up and warm the engine up a bit. Not too much, just lukewarm. Okay, now that the engine is warmed up a bit, you can see where it's dripping, hopefully there. It's a pain in the ass to get at. I'm sure you can see that dripping, you can see the stain there. I'm not sure where exactly in the matrix it's coming from, but you know, gravity does its thing, so what we're gonna do now is turn the engine off, let it cool down for a little bit, and then add the magic juice. Okay, so it's been about half an hour Well, dun, dun, dun. It hasn't worked. I may have slowed it down a little bit, but there must be a big motherfucker of a hole in this matrix. There's still definitely liquid coming out down the back there, and I probably can't see shit in this, but trust me, there is still some coming out. It has slowed it down, I'll give it that. But as you can see the water dripping into the pan there.